Hello, it's Snoopy. I'm in Tokyo City now, where animator Hayao Miyazaki lives. This city inspired parts of My Neighbor Totoro. Join me as I explore Totoro-related locations. Okay, let's go! Tokorozawa is a city in Saitama Prefecture, just 20 minutes by train from Ikebukuro and 35 minutes from Shinjuku. Many residents commute to Tokyo, making it a significant bedroom community. Close to the Tokyo border, it provides convenient access to the city. Additionally, Tokyo is famous for being a setting in the film My Neighbor Totoro. The city has several locations that inspired this beloved movie. In 2020, Tokoroza City celebrated its 70th anniversary by installing My Neighbor Totoro monument. The film's setting was inspired by Tokoroza's green landscapes known as Totoro's birthplace. The statue was created with the assistance of Hayao Miyazaki and Studio Ghibli, honoring this connection. The name of this statue is Totoro's birthplace. Take a look at the back side of the statue. The names of these sisters in the film are Satsuki and Mei. Satsuki means Mei in Japanese, so they both have names related to Mei. I just realized that. Even the inside of the cat bus is very precise. They look as if they are about to start moving. The departure melody at Tokoroza Station is a song from My Neighbor Totoro. Let's listen. This has nothing to do with Totoro, but there is also a manhole cover with a Gundam design like this one. I'm now heading to a forest in the suburbs of Tokoroza City. This forest is considered to be the setting of My Neighbor Totoro. There are many places called Totoro's Forest dotted around the area. In one part of the site, there is an old private house. It's called Crosske's house. Let's go there first. The road is not paved and is rough. Is it okay to go through on this road? But this is the road that Google Maps showed me. I'm back on the proper road. That's a relief. The usual way to get here is by train and bus, but this time I'm going there by bicycle. This is Krosuke's house. It serves as the Totoro Forest Management Office. The main building, storehouse, and the tea factory were registered as a National Tangible Cultural Property in June 2013. It is open every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Unfortunately, it is closed today. That is an old Japanese-style warehouse. It is unique in that it has a crosscut symbol on it. It would be nice if I can see a bit of the inside from here. I wish I could have toured the inside of the place. Well, it's almost time for lunch. We are now heading to the restaurant where we booked. It's a perfect day for cycling in early May, not too cold and not too hot. This cycle path is well maintained. A lake stretches out before your eyes. This area is known as the Saitama Hills. Saitama Hills contains two artificial lakes, one of which is this Saitama Lake. Completed in 1934, it supplies water to Tokyo. The surrounding area is the Saitama Prefecture National Park, offering cherry blossom in spring, autumn leaves, and bird watching. You can see Mount Fuji if you are lucky. The other artificial lake is Tama Lake, known as the Murayama Reservoir. It replaced the reservoir that once stood where Shinjuku's skyscrapers are now. The Yamaguchi Reservoir is connected to the Murayama Reservoir by conduit and they operate as a unit. Before our cycling trip, we found this restaurant and made a reservation. There is a baseball stadium nearby. On days when there are events there, the restaurant is full of customers, so they do not accept reservations. Pizza after a long bike ride must be either tasty or super tasty. A couple customers came in, looked at the menu, and left without ordering anything. I don't know why they left, but they are unlucky to have missed the excellent food. When we Japanese go to the restaurant, we usually share our food. Today I'm sharing pizza and spaghetti with my husband. The chef neatly served the dessert that we chose. Many azalea flowers are beautifully blooming. When I was a small child, I played with the nectar from azalea flowers. That is probably a water tower. We are now on our way to Totoro Forest number 1. Google Maps does not always give us a suitable road to cycle on. This road still looks okay. I'm starting to worry a bit about whether it will be okay for us to go this way. Well, never mind. Let's go. Waseda University, one of Japan's top schools in Tokyo, found a new campus for its centenary in 1977. Tokoroza was chosen in 1979. However, concerns about the environmental damage led to opposition. Citizens contacted Hayao Miyazaki, who allowed the use of Totoro's name and images for the campaign, and fund was established in 1990. By the way, we will park our bicycle here and walk from now on. Anyway, Miyazaki himself became a supporter of the movement. Waseda University agreed to protect the environment, and the Tokoroza campus opened in 1987. In 1991, Totoro Forest number 1 was purchased through the fund as a National Trust project. By May 2019, 51 Totoro Forest sites were secured, many open for public walks. Volunteers maintain these forests by cutting grass and cleaning leaves. Now, the entire Siam Hills area is often called Totoro's Forest. I saw some foreign tourists visiting here. We saw foreign families here. When we returned to where we had parked our bicycles, they were there. A kid pointed at my bike and said in Japanese, "Oh, a bicycle!" So that was our Totoro-themed cycling tour in Tokorozawa. We explored Totoro's forest and visited Siam Lake. Thanks for watching. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel if you like. I'm also taking requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね